Number 15. Sealvan Amphibious. Let's kick things off with a motorhome that defies definition, the Sealvan Amphibious. The Sealvan Amphibious isn't your average motorhome. This amphibious marvel defies categorization, offering the freedom of the open road and the thrill of cruising across water. Imagine pulling off the highway, driving straight into a lake, and transforming your luxurious living space into a yacht. The Sealvan Amphibious boasts a powerful engine that allows it to conquer both land and water with ease. It doesn't compromise on comfort either. Inside, you'll find spacious living areas with plush furniture, a well-equipped kitchen to whip up gourmet meals on the go, and all the amenities you'd expect in a high-end home. But the true magic lies in its amphibious capabilities. With the flip of a switch, or maybe a splashdown, you can transition from highway cruising to tranquil lake exploration. Picture yourself enjoying a sunset cocktail on the Sealvan's private balcony as you gently bob on the water, pure luxury redefined. This innovative vehicle is perfect for the adventurous soul who craves the ultimate in flexibility. Whether you're exploring scenic coastlines or seeking secluded lakeside retreats, the Sealvan Amphibious lets you experience the best of both worlds in unparalleled luxury. Number 14. Bruder EXP-7. The Bruder EXP-7 isn't your average luxury motorhome. Sure, it boasts a plush interior with a well-equipped kitchen, comfortable sleeping quarters, and even a dedicated workspace, perfect for staying productive amidst nature's beauty. But what truly sets the EXP-7 apart is its uncompromising off-road capability. This expedition vehicle is engineered to conquer any terrain you throw its way. Imagine traversing rugged mountain trails, navigating sandy deserts, or even wading through shallow rivers. The EXP-7 handles it all with ease. It features a powerful engine, a hydraulic leveling system for uneven terrain, and all-terrain tires that can grip any surface. Plus, the reinforced chassis ensures the EXP-7 can take a beating without breaking a sweat. But Bruder understands that luxury shouldn't be sacrificed for functionality. The EXP-7's interior is designed for comfort on the go, with ample storage space for all your gear, and a smart layout that maximizes living space. So, whether you're a seasoned adventurer or simply seeking a luxurious escape off the beaten path, the Bruder EXP-7 is the ultimate all-in-one vehicle for your next off-grid adventure. Number 13. Will Smith's RV. Will Smith's RV isn't just a vehicle, it's a testament to luxury living on wheels, aptly nicknamed the Heat. Built by Anderson Mobile Estates, this behemoth boasts a staggering 1,200 square feet of living space. That's more than some apartments. Imagine rolling down the highway in a home that expands on command, revealing multiple lounges, a home theater fit for a movie premiere, and even a spa-like bathroom with a sauna, perfect for unwinding after a long day on set. But the real showstopper is the ingenious roof. It hydraulically lifts, creating a second story with a private rooftop terrace. This open-air oasis allows Will Smith to enjoy the scenery, entertain guests under the stars, or simply relax with a breath of fresh air, all without ever leaving his luxurious RV. The Heat is also equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, custom-designed furniture, and entertainment systems galore. It's a true marvel of engineering and design, offering Will Smith the ultimate in comfort and convenience while on the road. So, next time you see Will Smith on the big screen, remember, his luxurious RV might just be parked nearby, ready to whisk him away to his next adventure. Number 12. Cami Terra Wind. The Cami Terra Wind isn't just a luxurious motorhome, it's a testament to German engineering excellence. Imagine cruising down the highway in a sleek, aerodynamic shell that cuts through the wind with ease. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a minimalist haven of modern design. High-quality finishes and ample natural light create a feeling of spaciousness and tranquility. But the Terra Wind's beauty goes beyond aesthetics. This amphibious marvel boasts a powerful engine that allows you to conquer not just the road, but also calm lakes and rivers. Imagine transitioning seamlessly from a scenic drive to a relaxing afternoon on the water, all with the same luxurious comfort. Sustainability also plays a role in Terra Wind's design. The inclusion of a solar panel system helps power the vehicle's amenities, allowing you to enjoy a luxurious experience while minimizing your environmental impact. So, whether you're yearning for a luxurious road trip or an unforgettable aquatic adventure, the Cami Terra Wind offers the perfect blend of sophistication, functionality, and eco-consciousness. Number 11. Marathon Coach. While we touched on the impressive features of Marathon Coach, let's delve a bit deeper into what truly sets them apart. These luxury RVs are more than just vehicles, they're meticulously crafted works of art. Marathon Coach uses top-of-the-line materials and boasts a team of skilled artisans who hand-build each coach to the owner's exact specifications. Imagine choosing the perfect wood finishes for your cabinets, selecting the ideal marble countertops for your kitchen, or even designing a custom layout for your living space. With Marathon Coach, it's all possible. This level of customization allows you to create a motorhome that perfectly reflects your personal style and needs. Think fireplaces crackling in the living area, heated floors in the bathroom, or even a walk-in closet in your master suite. The possibilities are truly endless. Owning a Marathon Coach isn't just about luxury, it's about owning a piece of automotive artistry, a rolling testament to your unique vision and a guarantee of unparalleled comfort on the open road. Number 10. Newmar Coach P50. Newmar Coach is another heavyweight in the luxury RV market, and their P50 model is a testament to their expertise. This behemoth boasts a whopping 45 feet of living space, offering ample room for all the amenities you could ever need on the road. The P50 features a stunning interior designed with comfort and luxury in mind. Think expansive living areas, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, and a master suite that rivals a 5-star hotel room. But it's not all about lounging around. The P50 also comes equipped with some impressive entertainment features, including a home theater system and a retractable patio perfect for enjoying the outdoors. Number 9. Jamie Foxx Off-Script Studio. Sticking with the celebrity theme, let's take a peek into Jamie Foxx's mobile production studio. Yes, you read that right. This custom-built RV isn't just for luxurious travel, it's a fully functional recording studio on wheels, complete with soundproofing, professional audio equipment, and a comfortable editing area. This unique motorhome allows Jamie Foxx to take his creative process anywhere, ensuring he can stay productive on the road. It's a truly innovative concept that combines luxury living with professional functionality. Number 8. Dynamax Dynaquest XL. While the Dynamax Dynaquest XL might not boast the custom extravagance of some entries on this list, it offers a compelling mix of luxury, functionality, and affordability for those seeking a taste of the high life on the road. Built on a commercial-grade Freightliner chassis, the Dynaquest XL exudes stability and power. Inside, you'll find a spacious living area with a fireplace that sets a cozy ambience. The well-equipped kitchen features high-quality appliances that can handle all your culinary needs, from whipping up gourmet meals to preparing quick snacks. Technology plays a vital role in the Dynaquest XL experience. A multiplex control system streamlines operations, while a central vacuuming system makes cleaning a breeze. This motorhome proves that luxury living on the road doesn't have to come with a hefty price tag. The Dynamax Dynaquest XL is a fantastic option for those who want to experience the comfort and convenience of a luxurious RV without breaking the bank. Number 7. Simon Cowell's Producer Pad. Simon Cowell's luxurious motorhome isn't just a place to rest his head after a long day of judging talent. It's a mobile command center designed to keep the creative wheels turning. Imagine a high-tech haven equipped with a professional-grade recording studio, complete with soundproofing, top-of-the-line mixing consoles, and sound booths for capturing those perfect vocals. But it doesn't stop there. A comfortable editing suite with powerful computers and editing software allows Cowell and his team to polish their projects on the go. The spacious living area isn't just for relaxation, it can easily double as a brainstorming room or a space for client meetings. This isn't just a luxurious RV, it's a testament to Cowell's dedication to his craft. With this mobile producer pad, he can ensure his projects never miss a beat, whether he's parked on a scenic location for a music video shoot or exploring new talent during a cross-country road trip. Number 6. Featherlite Vantare Platinum Plus. Featherlite is another major player in the luxury RV market, and their Vantare Platinum Plus model is a shining example of their craftsmanship. This sleek and stylish motorhome offers a modern take on luxury living on the road. The Vantare Platinum Plus features a spacious interior with clean lines, high-end finishes, and ample natural light. It boasts a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a comfortable sleeping area, and a luxurious bathroom with a spa-like shower. But the Vantare Platinum Plus isn't just about aesthetics. It also comes equipped with innovative technology features, including a multiplex control system and a central vacuuming system, making your life on the road a breeze. Number 5. Leonardo DiCaprio's trailer. Eco-conscious actor Leonardo DiCaprio is known for his commitment to environmental causes, and his luxurious trailer reflects that. This custom-built RV utilizes solar panels and other sustainable technologies to minimize its environmental impact. Despite its eco-friendly focus, DiCaprio's trailer doesn't skimp on luxury. He reportedly enjoys a spacious living area with comfortable furnishings, a well-equipped kitchen, and a private sleeping area. It's a perfect example of how luxury living can be achieved in harmony with environmental responsibility. Number 4. Presidential Series Rome FS605. The Presidential Series Rome FS605 isn't just a luxurious motorhome, it's a rolling fortress designed for the elite. Imagine a vehicle that combines the opulence of a private jet with the security of a high-end security detail. That's the Rome FS605 in a nutshell. The interior goes beyond spacious living areas and gourmet kitchens. We're talking custom-designed furniture, advanced entertainment systems, and even dedicated workspaces for conducting business on the go. But security is paramount. Bulletproof windows, a self-contained water purification system, and even a panic room ensure the safety of its high-profile passengers. Owning a Realm FS605 is like having a portable embassy, allowing you to travel the world with complete peace of mind and a touch of unparalleled luxury. It's a testament to the fact that comfort and security can coexist in a way that caters to the most discerning clientele. Number 3. Newmar 2024 New Aire. Back to commercially available options, the Newmar 2024 New Aire is a top contender in the luxury diesel motorhome market. This sleek and stylish RV offers a perfect blend of innovation, comfort, and functionality. The Newmar 2024 New Aire features a modern interior with a focus on open living space. It boasts a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, a comfortable sleeping area with a king-size bed, and a luxurious bathroom with a walk-in shower. Technology enthusiasts will appreciate the Newmar's innovative features, including a multiplex control system, a central vacuuming system, and even an automated awning system. Number 2. Rotow Proto. The Rotow Proto isn't just a motorhome, it's a rolling statement piece. This futuristic concept boasts a revolutionary rotating cabin that elevates the RV experience to new heights, literally. Imagine waking up to a panoramic sunrise over a mountain range, or enjoying a sunset dinner with a 360-degree view of the coastline. The Rotow Proto makes these experiences a reality. But the innovation doesn't stop there. While details are still under wraps, the Rotow Proto is rumored to be equipped with advanced technology like automated stability systems to ensure a smooth ride even when the cabin is rotating. Additionally, the cabin's design might integrate features like retractable balconies or skylights, further maximizing the panoramic views. While the Rotow Proto remains a concept for now, it offers a glimpse into the exciting future of luxury RVs. It represents a shift towards not just comfort and amenities, but also an immersive and interactive experience with the surrounding environment. Will the Rotow Proto pave the way for a new generation of rotating RVs? Only time will tell, but one thing's for sure, it's a concept that sparks the imagination and pushes the boundaries of what's possible on the open road. Number 1. Ecocapsule. The Ecocapsule might not have wheels and an engine, but it offers a unique and luxurious way to experience remote locations in complete comfort. This egg-shaped, self-sustainable micro-shelter is a marvel of eco-friendly design. Imagine waking up to a panoramic view of a secluded mountain range or a pristine coastline, all while knowing your energy needs are met by renewable sources like wind and solar power. The Ecocapsule isn't just about luxury, it's also about minimizing your environmental impact. Imagine exploring breathtaking landscapes without leaving a carbon footprint behind. This innovative micro-shelter allows you to experience the beauty of nature while living sustainably, a perfect combination for the eco-conscious traveler seeking a touch of luxury. Well, that's it for our look at the top 15 luxurious motorhomes. So, which one would you choose for your ultimate road trip? Let us know in the comments below, and be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content.